Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you about how we can use the JavaScript inside our forms. So this is my form. Okay, so let me just play this. Okay, so this is my basic form. Okay, I just created in the portal management app. Okay, now what I want, this is a drop down. Okay, SAP data, Microsoft and AI. Okay, what I want, if person select the SAP, then this SAP detail section should be the populated, and remaining data detail, AI detail, Microsoft detail, all this label and text box should be the appear, and by default that should be a hidden. Okay, so how we can achieve this? Okay, so let's go to our portal management app. Okay, so this is Power Pages portal management model driven app already created. How we can go into this Power Pages management? You just go to the designer studio and just click on these three dots and just click on this Power Pages management. So in this Pages management, we can configure advanced thing to our Power Pages site. Okay, so in the inside the content we have a basic form tab is available. Okay, so I just created this information requester form. Okay, if I click on this, okay, so this is the form I created. This is the name of this form, and then table name, and then form name, and this is my backhand database table onboarding. Okay, and this is the form. Okay, here you can see multiple form is coming, only a public form. Okay, so I just created this replica of this public form and rename this to a information requester form. Okay, and here we can select a tab name, general, or so I just created this form in general mode. Okay, and this is our mode, like so you can see we have an insert, read only, edit. So I just selected the insert. Okay, and okay, so let me open the uh, that data was thing as well, just to showcase you. Okay, so if I go to the tables, and my table name is onboarding. Okay, so here I will write the onboarding, and this is my table. Okay, and inside this table I just created a forms. Okay, and this is my information requester form, which is a type of a main. Okay, so we have a two types of you can see form type, like for mains, like one is information, this is by default, and this is the information requester form. Okay, and if I click on this information requester form, then you will able to see this is the form I just created. Okay, for Power Pages, and we have only one tab. Uh, if I would create a multiple tab, then inside this you can see multiple tabs options. Okay, so I just created a general tab only, so that is the reason you can see only the general tab. Okay, so we have that much of field I just put in that form. Okay, and now you know the problem statement. Okay, how we can hide this for field if person not selected any of this value. Okay, if person selected data, then only this data detail should be the visible, remaining field should be the hide. Okay, so how we can achieve this? So inside this Power Pages management, okay, we have an option. Okay, if we go to the additional setting, okay, and if we scroll down, okay, then we have an option to write the JavaScript. Okay, so I have already written the JavaScript code. Okay, so first of all, I'm just, okay, let me just copy and paste it uh, in this custom JavaScript option. Okay, now I will explain to you. Okay, so this is the by default alert message, just to check whether my JavaScript is working or not. So I am just displaying this message, hello JavaScript test. Okay, and what what it is. Okay, so this is a drop down value. Okay, so I am just storing the drop down value into this variable. This is the vmanager team. Okay, and what is this exactly? This is the drop down, and from where I am getting this. Okay, so if I right click, okay, and click on inspect, if I select this, okay, then you can able to see. So this is the id. Okay, cr33c underscore manager team. So this is the id, you can see. Okay, so I am just fetching the value whatever user selected, whether it is blank or not. Okay, and then storing into this variable. Okay, and this is the hide default. Okay, okay, sorry. So this is high default function. I just write down in this javascript. Okay, and I'm just hiding all the section. Okay, now you guys might be thinking what it means: table, section, tr. Okay, so if I close this, okay, so everything this forms comes under the table. So if I start with first, 1 2 3 4, manager is 5, and then we have a 6. Okay, and then data coming 7 position, then we have a 8, then we have a 9, then we have a 10. Okay, so everything is coming under table. So that's the reason I have note down the table. And then we have a section. Okay, inside this section we have a tr. So, and I'm just checking if tr is equal to 7, then I'm just hiding. Okay, now how we can check this? Okay, again we need to click on inspect. Okay, and then select that portion. Okay, so now you can see this is a tr. Okay, everything is coming under the tr. Inside the tr we have a td. So tr basically nothing, just for we use for a row, and td we use for a column. Okay, and if I scroll up, then everything this is coming under the table. So this is my table. Okay, and then we have a section. So I'm just I just write down the table dot section. We have a table where class is section, and tr is, we are using the numeric value to find out what is the position or what is the row number. Okay, so this is coming under the 7th position. So that's why I just write down here a tr colon equal to 7. Okay, so first time by default, whenever this page will load, it will call this function hide field. Okay, inside this hide field, it will hide each and every section. Okay, and then I am just storing the drop down value into this variable. Okay, and again I am just using this id, and then I'm using the change. So change means whenever person, okay, let's say if I select this, if I'm trying to change data to SAP, whatever I'm option I'm going to select, okay, whether it is blank or not. Okay, so that time that function will call. Okay, inside this I'm calling this change drop down, which is nothing just like a function. Okay, so inside this change drop down, again I'm calling the hide field functions, which is nothing just hiding each and every section, and then I am again storing the value. Okay, selected value, using the same thing whatever I'm using in vmanager team. Okay, and then if I'm checking if selected value equal 1. Okay, because in this is coming at first position, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So in the background I'm using a choice. So I know the value. Okay, what is the value of sap data in microsoft and ai? So that is the reason I just write down equal to 1. Okay, if this is equal to 1. Okay, so here I'm just trying to hide show only one record. So you can apply same thing, you need to write a multiple if condition, if else condition. Okay, so if this is value is equal to 1, means person selected any value from this drop down. Okay, that time what I'm doing, I'm showing this section. Okay, so inside this function I am hiding, and inside this chain drop down I am showing. Okay, so now let's save and close. Okay, and go to this design studio, click on sync. Okay, and let's play this. So this is the by default message is coming. Okay, hello JavaScript test, which is nothing. Uh, i just uh, uh, I just write down top of this JavaScript code. Okay, so that's the data reason it is coming. Okay, so once we click on OK, okay, then if I scroll down, then you can see you're not able to see the remaining section. Okay, so now if I select the SAP, then you can see data detail is showing. Okay, and if I select any of the field, then that is gone. Okay, so that way we can write the JavaScript code and hide or show the table section. Okay, so here I'm just uh, 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 making visible of this data detail section. So that is the reason that is only coming. Okay, data detail which is coming on the 7th position. Yeah, I know this is like a mapping is on. When I'm selecting the SAP, then only SAP section would come. So but this is the approach. Okay, we can do. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you later.